welcome back to my channel. Today we have Irresistible Me hair. In here there's a HD cap and I've never tried this color on my hair for like wigs. I've tried it on braids, but I've not tried it on wigs. But this is going to be interesting. Just take it out. It looks so nice. So it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, as you can see. I don't have to do a lot. Let's see this. I don't have to do a lot. And it's a HD lace, very thin. So it will make melting quite easy. What I'm going to do first, I'm just going to use my hot comb to take the hair back and then put it on my hair and mark out the lines and then cut it. On another note, I absolutely love the packaging. Look, it comes with like some sort of lining, silky lining. So after you're done with your wig, you can easily just put it back in, like the wig back, and just slide it back in. This is really nice. This is one of the cutest wig box I have seen. It's really thoughtful. Who is this? I'm just going to secure the band so that it's tighter on my head. What I normally do, I map out like my ear with like my brown pencil. Just clip it so I can add my glue to it without it, without the hair coming or interfering. I always like to add like 2 or 3 layers of the spray so it stays long. I usually wait till mine is like a little bit tacky, you can see. So it's time to put it on. I just lay it down stage by stage. I'll wait a few minutes so that the spray, so the glue can actually stay on the wig properly like it should, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. And then I'll take this out, cut the lace and add a few more to the edges so everything just sits the way it's supposed to. Pre-plucked. I didn't have to do so much. All I had to do was just lay it down and see how flat and silky it looks. So I didn't want to curl all the way because I kind of like my curls a bit full. I didn't want it too defined. That's why I went for this. I'm not going to curl everything because the wig already comes quite curly, but I love it this way because, you know, the curls are still bouncy, but it's still full and I can like totally play around with it. And yeah, this is it. I absolutely love this hair. Again, this is a 20 inches hair from Irresistible Me. The link and the full description so you can purchase this wig if you want to in my description box. And I also have a discount code so if you want to purchase something like this or any other wig from Irresistible Hair. They have like a long line of really nice wigs. If you go to their website, they have different colors. They have like blonde, they have funny. Just, you know, just speak for yourself. Well, tell me, what do you guys think? I've never tried this blonde shade, so it's kind of giving Beyonce vibe. I've never tried this shade before for wigs, and I was a bit skeptical because I don't like when I have like too much going on. I'm a bit worried that it might be too loud, but now that I have it on, I absolutely love it. Now I'm worried that when I put on like a black or brown wig, I'll just be like, I'll be a bit disappointed, like, oh, this looks too basic. But this is so beautiful. Tell me what you think. Bye.